Howdy doody, it's Juby. Today, I got a comment from a lovely viewer of my last video wondering if it was possible to change your name after character creation. It totally is. And
I'ma show you how to
do it. Here you can see my current name, the one gifted to me by the game, is Purple Joker. If you've already watched my last video, how to get old store items / costumes in Poptropica Flashpoint, and or understand how to find, open, and edit your Char.sol file, you can skip to the timestamp on screen. Before we begin, make sure you are on Flashpoint version 14 and that you have the Open Flashpoint Manager button on the bottom left of the program. Click on it, select the little plus button next to Extras, and check off Saves Manager. Next, make sure you have a Soul file editor. I personally use this one on SourceForge that will be in the description below. Now you will open your Flashpoint program folder. I find a very easy way to find it is opening Flashpoint, searching for Poptropica, right-clicking it, selecting Show Game in Explorer, and looking at the top of the File Explorer. You'll see a path going backwards from Games to Data to Flashpoint, which is what you want to select. From here, click on Utilities. When you open the Saves Manager, you'll see something like this. If you don't have an old saves folder, just hit Backup and any key to continue. Open the Flash Save Backup folder, then the Shared Objects folder, then the only folder within that folder, then the Poptropica.com folder. And now the people who skipped to this part will be joining us. Hi! Open the Char.sol file here and search for the strings first name and last name, both with a lowercase beginning letter and a capital N in name. They should have a black capital B icon next to them, which will hopefully help you find them a bit easier. I have yet to figure out how to search for specific words in this program. Please help me. Selecting first name will show you the current adjective part of your name in a big white box labeled value. And last name will display the noun. You can write whatever you like in either box. They don't have to follow the typical naming format. It's entirely coincidental that my name fits into the famous Poptropica adjective noun naming convention. Save your changes by clicking the floppy disk icon on the top left of the screen, and close out of the Soul editor. Now, you will copy the char file from within the Flash Save backup folder you're currently in, and navigate back to Saves Manager. Now, go into Old Saves, Shared Objects, the folder with a bunch of letters and numbers, and finally poptropica.com. It will look exactly like the Flash Save backup folder. You will paste your char file into here and replace the current one. Head back to Saves Manager and hit Restore. A commenter brought up a really good point where you should be able to just edit the char file in this old saves folder, which totally makes sense. But for some reason, it didn't work for me when I tested it today. I had to edit it in the Flash Save backup and replace it in old saves, or else it wouldn't work for me. I have no idea why this is, but that's why I did this particular step again for this video. Now, if you open your game, hit Returning Player, and select Settings from the drop menu, you'll see that your name has successfully changed to whatever you typed in. Easy as that. Yippee! Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and that this could help out a victim of the terrible randomized name system. Bye!